Hey everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to list 10 things that I would like to do when lockdown is over because I think we need a bit of positivity and I've only kind of started thinking about it now that I've finished my degree. So I'm going to pour myself a drink today because I handed in my last ever essay / assessment yesterday, and so I think I need to celebrate with myself. That sounds really sad. So I've got this little raspberry vodka here and I'm going to use the wine glass. Oh, this is like ASMR. And I'm going to use this cherry Lucozade because I don't have any pink lemonade. So now I've made a list on my phone of the just 10 things that I'd really like to do when lockdown is over. So number 1, I would like to have a massive night out. And just take loads of pictures and stuff and just have a really fun night out because obviously I haven't done that in so long and we need to celebrate. I mean, I didn't get to celebrate my birthday. We now don't get to celebrate the fact that we've all finished uni, so there's a lot of things we need to celebrate at the end of lockdown. Number 2, I want to get a full-time job and find somewhere to work to earn some money so that I can stay living in Manchester. This is just a little thing that I want to do. It seems so little and simple, but I'm really excited to go to Starbucks. I know Starbucks is open, but where I live in Scarborough, there is actually no Starbucks around. That's really sad. And for those of you who are wondering, my Starbucks order is an iced vanilla matcha tea with oat milk instead of normal milk because I think it tastes like sweeter, even though I'm not vegan or anything. Number 4, I like to have a Wagamama's with my mum because Wagamama's is like my favourite place to eat, especially with my mum because it's just the kind of food we love, like really healthy green food. Yeah, I think it's just really yummy, and again, we don't have a Wagamama's anywhere near where I live. This sounds like another food thing and I don't just want food all the time, but yeah, I want to get a massive burrito. Near where I live in Manchester, there is a really cute little burrito shop and they do like the biggest burritos ever that will just fill you up for days, and they taste so good and I've not had one in ages, even when I was still there. Number 6, doesn't feel like it today because it's a really horrible rainy day, but I would like to sit outside somewhere in the sunshine, drink cocktails and have an ice cream because that's the kind of thing I like to do every summer. Sit on some grass somewhere and just chill in the sunshine. And number 7, I would like to go shopping. Not food shopping, I mean like girly shopping where you go get clothes and makeup and just go to all the shops, and I'd like to take one of my best friends to go shopping. Don't think that's going to happen anytime soon, but hopefully when everything's back to normal I can go shopping. Number 8, I would like to have a big family meal. It would be really nice to get us all together and just chat about what we've been doing in lockdown for the past 3 months. Number 9, I like to visit my siblings because I was planning on visiting my siblings in March again, and then lockdown happened and I just haven't seen them in a long time, and they all live around Scarborough, and when I'm in Manchester I don't see my siblings for a really long time, so I wanted to see them whilst I was back here. Number 10 is that I would like to do some more YouTube videos, but a lot more creative, because in lockdown a lot of other content creators can relate because I've seen a lot of people mention this, but it's really hard to actually think of video ideas when you're just in your house all the time and there's nothing to do. And I've got a lot of video ideas for the end of lockdown, but they're things that I can't actually do until lockdown is over. Yeah. This video was a bit random, but as I said, it's hard to think of video ideas when you're in lockdown. You've not really got a lot going on. So I hope you enjoyed this anyway. And if you did, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. I hope you enjoyed this and I will see you next time. Bye!